Ice cream lovers, can I just tell you how great it is to have you here? We love our viewers on YouTube. Thank you so much for tuning in. Look, whether you're on the toilet or in the bath or in these things running while you're doing production, we get a lot of great feedback, and mostly we do this because of you. Now, we also do it because of our sponsors, and this week's sponsor is Dippin' Flavors. I shouldn't say this week, we do multiple videos a week. Let's just scrub that. Today's video sponsor is Dippin' Flavors. Thank you, Jimmy and Ryan and all the crew down there. Mary, flavors, toppings, ingredients, particulates for your ice cream needs. They ship them all over the country. We love Dippin' Flavors. Thank you very much for your episode sponsorship. Their link is down below, all the way down below. Okay, let's talk about shakes. I was going to do a bit of Casey and the Sunshine Band Shake, Shake, Shake. I don't know how much I can sing without actually having to pay for it, so I'll just do the one. Shake. That's all we got the budget for. Let's talk about shakes and shake flavors. Now, I maybe come under a little fire here, but my personal preference is that you have a limited amount of shake flavors. I get very concerned when people who are perhaps new to the ice cream business, perhaps been in the ice cream business a long time, feel as though that they have as many shake flavors as they do flavors in the dipping cabinet. This dipping cabinet is an 8-bucket dipping cabinet here, so when we run school, we do events, we'll have 8 flavors in there. And sure, one might be a vanilla bean and a chocolate, and the other might be a mint Oreo or a birthday cake or a cheesecake flavor. Now, just because I have those flavors of ice cream in the case does not mean that I can make those flavors as a shake. Because if I took 3 or 4 scoops of mint Oreo and put them in my shake cup here, put about 5 ounces of milk and put it in the blender, that strength of flavor in a mint Oreo ice cream is not going to be enough to permeate through and make it a good mint Oreo shake. So I get concerned when people offer 32 flavors of ice cream, they do 32 flavors of shakes. It just kind of doesn't work that way. Maybe it does for you, but I think the customer deserves, they're paying good money for shakes now, they deserve a good flavored shake. So when we come over here to our shake station here, you'll see that here's an example of a product, strawberry shake base. So this is actually designed, if we wanted to do a strawberry shake, that we wouldn't just scoop strawberry ice cream, put milk and blend it. We would take vanilla ice cream, put some milk, and we'd put maybe 1 full pump, generally 1 ounce, of this shake base, which will give us color, it gives us flavor, it also gives us a little bit of particulate matter. You can kind of see in here, there's some pulp and seeds in here that will actually make a much better shake than just doing the flavor of ice cream and milk. So my recommendation, let's kind of limit the amount of shakes that you can do, but do them very well. Most stores will do a vanilla, a chocolate, a strawberry, maybe a cookies and cream, and a specialty shake perhaps. We'll talk about that in another video. And just use your vanilla ice cream or chocolate ice cream and shake bases. It'll be a much better shake, it'll look better, it'll taste better, it'll present better. My personal preference. Don't just think because you've got a flavor of ice cream you can add milk and it's automatically a shake. That flavor just does not permeate through. Interested in your thoughts? Leave a comment down below. We love reading comments from our viewers and ice cream shop owners. Tell us what your shake process is. Look, if you're down there putting that in and you have a question or a conundrum about the ice cream business and you say, well, maybe Steve could answer this for me. Maybe I could. We'll give it a whirl. Anyway, I appreciate you sharing your feedback and your questions. Put them down below. Smash like, smash subscribe, smash the link down there for Dippin' Flavors. Thank you for your episode sponsorship. Keep on scooping. See you in the next video.